In today's video, we have an exciting showdown between two major e-commerce platforms, Shopify and Printful. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or you're just starting out your store, we're going to explain today which platform is right for you. Stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss any of the info we have for you today. Imagine turning your creative ideas into a booming online store with minimum hassle. That's what we're exploring today, and we're going to show you which platform is going to get you there. But first, let's go over an overview of Shopify and Printful to see what the platforms are all about. Shopify is one of the best options for a one-stop shop for your e-commerce platform. Shopify has been a game changer in the e-commerce platform since its launch. It allows you to build a professional online store with a wide range of customizable templates, seamless payment processing, and a centralized hub for inventory management. On the other hand, Printful is an on-demand printing and fulfillment company. The platform offers a wide range of products, including clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. Users can design products using Printful's easy-to-use tools. Once your order is placed, Printful handles everything from packing to shipping. And this really makes it a hassle-free option for those people looking for a all-in-one solution so you don't have to deal with any inventory management. Now that we have an overview of each platform, let's dive into some of the main features of Shopify and Printful. And let's start with the main features of Shopify. The first is templates and designs. Shopify offers a wide range of templates that allow you to create a really professional-looking store. Whether you're in fashion, tech, or another industry, there is very likely a template that you are going to be able to use. In terms of payment processing, Shopify has one of the best payment processing in the business. Shopify Payments, or Shop, is an extremely seamless software, and you've likely used it from some retailers that you've purchased from online. It simplifies the checkout process, it makes it very simple, and it just remembers everything based on your cell phone number. In terms of inventory management, Shopify is great for managing everything from one hub. You can track your inventory, set up alerts for low stock, and even automate your restocking. And lastly, with all the third-party integrations, there's really endless opportunity with Shopify. Scaling your business, whether you're a small business or a larger business, is very easy. Now let's move on to the main features of Printful. The first main feature is the product customization and mockup generator. Users can design a wide range of customizable products, and you do this using the intuitive design tools that Printful has to offer. This allows you to create realistic images with a mockup generator. Another great thing about Printful is the seamless integration with a bunch of e-commerce platforms. Shopify, WooCommerce, anyone that you're going to use is going to work great with Printful for the most part. And it's also going to automatically sync products once you update them in the store. Another great thing about Printful is on-demand fulfillment and global shipping. Some of the competitors in the on-demand space don't offer global shipping, which is a really neat feature of Printful. They handle the entire process from printing all the way to shipping, so you have to do none of the inventory management. And they ensure fast and reliable delivery, and it's just going to take the headache away from you rather than purchasing from a manufacturer, having the stock yourself, and then sending it out to your customers. The next feature is their branding and warehouse service. Users can enhance their brand with custom labeling and packaging options. And you can also store your inventory in Printful's warehouses for streamlined order fulfillment. And lastly, Printful provides extensive resources to help you throughout the entire process. This includes design guidelines, marketing tips, tutorials, and customer support to ensure that you are completely successful with your business online. Now that we've discussed some of the features of both Shopify and Printful, let's go over some of the pros and cons of both platforms. Let's start with Shopify. It's really a comprehensive all-in-one solution to do everything you need, and it's really become the industry leader for e-commerce. Another great pro are all the professional templates. Some of them are a little bit more money and you have to pay for them, but there are a bunch of ones that are free as well. This is going to make your website have a polished look, and it's just going to be a bit more of a professional touch. Also, we cannot talk enough about their smooth payment process. Customer satisfaction is obviously through the roof because of how simple their shop feature is. Because of the wide range of integrations with platforms like Printful, Shopify is a winner in the seamless integration category too. This makes everything highly scalable for your business, whether you're a small business owner or you're running a large e-commerce platform. Let's talk about some of the cons of Shopify. The first one is that it can get a little bit expensive, especially if you are running a lot of third-party apps. Also, the learning curve is a little bit steeper than some of the other e-commerce platforms. Because of the amazing functionality of Shopify, you can do things like edit the code of your website. Now, that's generally not a very beginner-friendly thing to do, but what's great about Shopify is it has options for beginners all the way to advanced users too. And another con is some of the more advanced customization for your website may require coding experience. So you might need some help with that if you're just starting out. Now let's talk about some of the pros and cons of Printful. Printful offers a wide range of customizable products, including apparel, accessory, home decor, and so much more. This variety really allows you to diversify your product offering, and they can also be a one-stop shop for on-demand printing. Another pro is their multiple print providers. Printful works with a worldwide network of providers. This is going to give users flexibility flexibility in terms of shipping, product quality, and locations. Another pro is that Printful is very cost effective. Printful offers competitive pricing when you purchase in bulk as well, and you can use these discounts to maximize your profit, making it a really efficient and effective choice for a lot of businesses. Another great thing about Printful is their extremely seamless platform, which we're going to show you here in a second. The process is so simple to integrate your store with another e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. And another great pro about Printful is automated fulfillment. Printful handles the entire order from processing all the way to shipping. This allows you to focus on growing your business rather than worrying about inventory management. Now let's talk about some of the cons of Printful. The first one is quality variability. Now this is just the nature of working with a business that has a lot of providers. You're not going to be able to always have the same quality across the board. So you're going to want to make sure that you test out a bunch of different providers so you know their quality before using them. Another con is shipping time and costs. This can vary based on the destination of the customer. And depending on where your customer is in the world, it could take a little bit longer and cost a little bit more. So just keep this in mind. Another con is the limited branding options. Compared to some of its competitors, Printful offers less customization when it comes to packing, labeling, and other things that would be associated with a strong brand identity. So if that's something that's important to you, just keep that in mind. Another con about Printful is their pricing structure can be a little bit complicated, so just be sure that you understand it completely before purchasing. Depending on how much product you order, that's going to change your margin, so just understand all that before you purchase. Now that we've showed you a little bit of the pros and cons of each platform, we're going to show you how these platforms can integrate together seamlessly. And once you clicked on that link down below, you'll see that for just $1 for the first month, you can have your Shopify store set up today. Basically, with our link, you get a 3-day free trial, and then the next month is only $1. So you have 33 days to set up your store for only $1. It's a great deal, and you can get started at no risk to you because they don't require any credit card upfront. We won't go into too much of the Shopify platform here. Here are all the tabs on the left-hand side that you're going to need to use. We have other videos on the channel that we'll leave linked down below that get into the entire platform of Shopify. But that is how we have set up our account. Let's go ahead and set up our account now with Printful, and then we can connect the two. So go ahead and click on that link that we have down below, and let's sign up for our Printful account here. Now you can either sign in with Google or your email here. I'm just going to sign in with an email, and then a password here. We can just create our own as well. Once you agree to their terms, let's just go ahead and sign up. And let's just say that we're going to sell online, and that we are an artist here, and that we don't have any social media following, and we're just starting out. And let's say we want to sell clothing, and you can just skip all these if you don't want to answer them as well. And just like that, we're all set up. We have to confirm our email address, but then we will be all good to go. Okay, great. Now that we've set up our Printful account and we've confirmed our email, there's a very seamless process here to design our product and connect with our Shopify store. So let's go ahead and just show you how to design your product real fast. So you can go ahead and click create a product here in the top right hand corner, and you can choose from all of their options. Let's just go ahead and choose one of these t-shirts here, and we'll go ahead and choose this unisex t-shirt. And then you can go ahead and drag and drop your design. You can change the color, the sizing, all this stuff here. We won't go into too much detail here. It's very intuitive and super simple to use. But let's go ahead and go back to the main page here, and we're going to set up our account with Shopify. So right here where it says connect store, let's start this process here. Once we're there, we're going to select choose platform, and then we can go ahead and select Shopify. Now here it's just going to walk you through the process of getting your Shopify account, installing the Printful app on Shopify, and then connecting the two. So let's go ahead and go back to our Shopify account, and we're going to add apps here in the bottom left hand corner, and we're going to go to apps here in the bottom left hand corner and click this little arrow. Now we're going to type in Printful, and then you'll see Printful pop up, print on demand right here. We'll go ahead and click that, and then we can set up the process here. And then once it's on this page here, let's go ahead and click install. And then it'll bring us to this page here where we're going to sign in with our email to connect with our Printful account. Now this is the sign up page, but let's go ahead and click login since we already created our account. Let's go ahead and click login again here, and then just type in our email and our password. And then once we click login, it's going to confirm the connection here. Let's just go ahead and click connect store to my email. And that's it. We're all set up. And now everything that we update and add into the Printful can be seamlessly transferred over to the Shopify store. Okay, so let's just go ahead and add our product to our store. Let's go ahead and do this mug, and we'll go ahead and upload our design. This is just a design I had from my downloads. So we'll go ahead and put this on here. And then you can choose your mockups or create custom ones. Let's just go ahead and go with the regular ones. Keep continuing. You can change all of this description and information here, and then you can set all the pricing and all that. And once you're ready, just go ahead and click submit to store. And as you'll see, it's submitting to the store now, and it's all finished. And now you can either edit in Shopify or view in Shopify. For me, my store is not live yet, so it won't view in Shopify, but let's go ahead and edit in Shopify, and it should bring us to this page here. And boom, we can edit the product right in Shopify, and the syncing is seamless across the two platforms. In conclusion, Shopify and Printful both have their unique strengths and weaknesses. But when you pair the on-demand printing with the powerful e-commerce platform that is Shopify, the two work seamlessly together, and that's the way that we recommend you use them. We'll have links to both of those down below in the description. If you do choose to use our links, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos like this for you. So thank you so much in advance for using our links. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like, subscribe, and comment down below. This channel is dedicated to helping you start and grow your e-commerce business. We wish you the best on your e-commerce journey, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.